Babies practice new skills in their sleep. Have you ever glanced at your baby monitor's screen and watched your baby appear to crawl while they were sleeping? Or seen them flip over from front to back to front, over and over again? This is totally normal and is one of the many ways babies process what they've been learning and practicing during their waking hours. Motor development skills are often processed during the phase of sleep called REM, when our eyes dart back and forth rapidly and we dream more deeply. It can be cute to watch your baby sit up in the middle of a nap, but it's a little less adorable when they actually wake up. What if your baby has learned to sit up, but not yet how to lie back down? A 2015 study by the Society for Research in Child Development found that the onset of crawling can be particularly disruptive to a baby's sleep, as this is one of the most significant motor milestones little ones achieve. If you notice this behavior is disrupting your baby's sleep, and it may not be, there are a few things you can try. Help them practice the skill while they're awake, and especially how to get back to a comfortable position. If they can roll one way but not the other, give them opportunities and encouragement to roll back. If your baby can sit up but can't lie down, or vice versa, do it with them. If you're able, play a game of sit down, sit up, which we realize doesn't sound like the world's most exciting game, but can actually be loads of fun and save you and your baby some nighttime sadness. If you do go help them in the night or during a nap, see if you can guide them with words and gentle gestures rather than correcting their posture for them. Give it time. Patience is hard, but sometimes our little ones just need a little time and space to practice. And then one day, it seems like a switch was flipped and suddenly they can crawl, sit up, walk, roll over, or any of the many skills they're constantly working on.